Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing the right base. Day-old sandwich bread or a sturdy baguette gives drier crumbs that coat well. Once chosen, cut the loaf into 2 cm cubes to create uniform pieces. This prevents powdery fines. If you want toasted flavor and longer shelf life, preheat the oven to 160 degrees 170 degrees C and spread cubes on a sheet. Toast lightly until just golden. Make sure to watch closely because browning happens fast. This step builds structure and flavor for a better crust. You now transform the cubes into crumbs with control. Pulse in a food processor using 6-10 short bursts to achieve uniform size. Stop before it becomes flour. Once you have the base texture, season the crumbs. Add 1 tsp salt, 1/2 tsp pepper, and 1 tsp dried herbs if desired. This ensures flavor adheres to meat or veg. If you need extra crunch, process less for coarse crumbs. For a smooth, even coat, you finish by cooling the crumbs fully on a rack. Trapped steam makes them soggy, so spread them thin. Pack in an airtight container for up to 2 weeks or freeze for up to 3 months. Label with date. When using, press crumbs evenly onto wet coating so they adhere. If you find crumbs go soggy after frying, re-dry by baking at 120 degrees C for 10-15 minutes or briefly toast in a pan. This restores crunch and prevents a limp crust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.